What's up, family? It's your girl, Mama Mea, and today I'm spilling all the tea about my trip to Ghana, West Africa, from Accra to Kumasi. And y'all, it was an adventure full of laughs, lessons, and a whole lot of what is happening right now moments. Let's start from the top packing. Trying to prepare for Africa will make you question if you're ready for adulthood. Someone at my job told me, "You need a life straw. You can drink from rivers, sewers, anything." I said, "Ma'am, if I ever drink from a sewer, please assume I've completely lost my mind." Before you even think about heading to Africa, make sure you have your passport, visa, yellow fever shot, and malaria pills. Take one before your trip and daily while you're there. Better safe than sorry, because I didn't come this far to get taken down by a mosquito. The flight from New York to Accra was 10 and a half hours, but since it was overnight, I got to sleep through most of it. Delta Airlines, 10 out of 10. Clean plane, friendly staff, and dinner that didn't taste like cardboard. When we landed, it was official. I was in Africa. But then customs hit me with a full FBI background check. Photos, fingerprints, identity scans. I felt like I was in a lineup, but I respect it. Ghana does not play about security. Now this part right here, someone tried to grab our luggage to help. My husband, being all independent, said no thanks. That man pushed an old lady just to get to our bag. I was like, "Sir, this ain't the Super Bowl." I grabbed the luggage like it was the last plate at Thanksgiving and ran straight out the door. The Airbnb? Chef's kiss. Beautiful, clean, and just $240 for 2 weeks. But listen, everything had gates, windows, doors, even the air. I thought I was back in Chicago. Cooking was a process. Flip a switch, turn the burner, light it with a lighter, pray, then cook. Oh, and bring an adapter. Your American charger won't fit their outlets. The air conditioner and hot water each had their own switches too. Let's just say I earned my Ghana electrician badge. Then came the VIP bus station. Imagine the Greyhound, but with no bathrooms. None. If you've got IBS, a weak bladder, or stage fright, baby, start praying now. They told me the ride was 4 hours. It turned into 9. 9. I almost started a protest. The seats were comfy, but my patience gone. Now, Kumasi, beautiful. I went to the zoo, and let me tell you, African lions are built different. U.S. lions look like house cats next to them. The markets were packed, the traffic was wild, and if you've got road rage, you might want to sit this one out. But I loved the energy. People hustling day and night, making something out of nothing. Ghana is the land of entrepreneurs, no doubt. I learned real quick that Ghana's pharmacies are more natural. I had a stomach ache, and whatever they gave me worked instantly. I realized my stomach just wasn't fufu ready. Finding American food was another challenge. I found KFC, Domino's, and a closed Burger King. I would have traded my malaria pills for a taco at that point. ShopRite at Accra Mall was my first stop. Felt like home until I realized the produce spoiled after 2 days. Malcolm was better, cleaner, and the chicken, spotless. But my fave was Fairway Supermarket. Clean, calm, and full of American snacks. It gave Whole Foods vibes, and my wallet felt that too. Behind our Airbnb was a juice factory, and let me tell you, those juices were everything. Pineapple ginger, carrot apple, mango blend, even beet juice that had me questioning my life choices in a good way. Now, bathrooms, you pay 2 Ghana cedis to get in, but don't expect toilet paper. Bring your own roll or risk being creative. Ghanaians are some of the kindest, most respectful people you'll ever meet. The kids are polite and everyone treats you like family. And yes, I practiced self-care. Got my hair done twice in 2 weeks. The stylist had me feeling like Beyonce on a budget. Sometimes you just need to put you first. Getting around? Easy. You got Ubers, Bolts, Trotros, and taxis. Trotros are cheap but packed tighter than a family reunion van. Uber and Bolt are more chill and comfortable. Must-visit spots: Independence Square, Accra Mall, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, and honestly, just driving through the countryside, it's breathtaking. Leaving Ghana was like leaving a high-security base. Passport checks everywhere, 6 times. But again, I respect it. Safety first. Our Delta flight had plane issues, so they put us in a luxury hotel, fed us, and rebooked us. United got us home, but Delta, that's my airline now. Cleaner, friendlier, and more restrooms. Very important. This trip changed me. I saw joy in people who had less but smiled more. I learned to be grateful, laugh more, and complain less. Would I go back? If God's willing, absolutely yes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to It's Life with Mama Mea for more real life stories, travel adventures, and laughs. Until next time, stay